there, and welcome to BSF Recovery Team. We were out on the winter run and caught up with this group just in time to catch the aftermath of this failed hill climb.
You shot the drive shaft right into your case. Let's go. Oh, got to the key case, huh, Hummer?
Brooks, back of the tranny, maybe.
Ah, biscuits and gravy. Shove it right back in.
What you didn't get to see was the Chevy truck charging up the hill and smacking right into the big boulder that was underneath the snow about a quarter of the way up.
Oh, hey, you're leaking some red fluid. I know a girl had that problem. I did.
But you broke the back of the case. I didn't get the brake on film.
What do we got?
Oh,
Do we
push the
shove her?
governor out this side.
Is that all?
It looks like a crack in the back of the case on this side.
Could be where all that fluid's
Go
coming
find
out
the
of.
governor, and Eric says the case on that side's cracked.
Yeah, right.
Like a transmission case?
Yeah. Or the adapter.
I wonder if she's gonna make it.
No, it's the case.
Pressure case?
The training case. If you look right here, there's a big crack right here.
I won't be able to manually steer it. Well, I got a mechanical steer back up. This thing does not want to steer. What would you recommend there?
Easiest thing to do is put it on the hook.
Why does
Because when it's on the hook, I'm going to have video.
Okay, sorry about this guy for ruining the day. But it was pretty cool when I hit that rock.
Really cool until you stop. It's like, ow! Fucking rocks, are they harder in the winter than in the summer? I don't know. I think they're more brittle in the winter.
I don't know, but that front end went in the air.
No, your front end didn't go in the air. It just hit. Who's a dead
Yeah, you're going to need new diff cover. No, I won't. I should get one, but I won't.
All right, let's go.
Oh, God, this. You know, you just had to brake. I was doing
So we put the Chevy on the hook, and I sent a couple of trucks ahead of me just in case we didn't make it up the bypass hill.
Top the hill down, take a right, and then keep going straight, and it comes up over. Just point which way if I get screwed up. Yeah. Nah, just go to the top of the hill. I want to see if I can make it.
As you can see, we didn't make it up the bypass hill. I didn't have my chains with because I didn't think I'd need them. But fortunately, a couple of the other club members did have their snow chains with. And the trail master allowed them to use them because they were helping with the recovery. So they chained up and hooked onto the front of the wrecker to get me up over the hill. Once we were over the top of the hill, I had them unhooked, mainly because maneuvering with the wrecker is a whole lot easier when you don't have somebody tugging on a strap on the front. conditions the way they were, I just couldn't maintain enough speed and momentum to make it up even some of the smaller hills.
Hook it up!
Yep, I'm coming.
Crested this hill with them pulling on the front of the tow truck with the strap. I couldn't swing it wide enough to clear the stump coming up on the left side, so we had to stop and unhook and back up.
Hold it! It's easier if we go to the right. Stay in front of me, but it's easier going to the right than going up that. No, it's not too bad. Actually, we jump onto red and then go in through the mud hole, and then the only real hill is that last little bit up and out. trying to go out where Nellie is.
There we go, out of the woods now. Lesson learned. Bring the chains for the tow truck when on a winter run. Now, just a little short trip back to camp and to put it on the trailer. Thanks for watching, BSF Recovery Team, and maybe we'll see you in the woods.